Look at the modern digital economy. Businesses today rely on dozens of separate applications, and the connections between them are breaking under the pressure. In the B2B sector, sales teams feel this friction every day. They spend hours manually scraping data from LinkedIn, cross-referencing it in spreadsheets, and pushing it through multiple third-party tools to build an outreach list. Half the time, the emails bounce because the data is already decayed. The exact same structural problem exists in the independent music industry. Artists are overwhelmed trying to patch together tour logistics, coordinate venue bookings, and promote their work, all while fighting against streaming algorithms that push generic, soulless audio. Fixing these entrenched issues requires a different approach. We call it ecosystem engineering. It relies on combining high-scale data orchestration, managing billions of inputs without failing, with localized AI agents that handle the manual labor. A highly specialized development team has built two distinct platforms from the ground up to demonstrate this framework: Parvenu.io for B2B sales and BandBuddy.ai for independent musicians. This team prioritizes the foundational backend architecture, the digital plumbing that remains constant even as the industry around it changes. To see how that translates to the real world, we have to look at how they handle two completely different scales of data. This scaling data visualization represents Parvenu's core capability. It actively manages an evolving database of over 1 billion individual contacts and 68 million companies globally. Usually, validating that much information requires expensive third-party verification tools. Parvenu bypasses those costs completely by using a proprietary, built-in email verification engine that cleans the data with near-perfect accuracy before a user ever hits send. But raw data isn't enough. It has to be targeted. The platform features a customized rules engine that orchestrates multimodal web scraping. If an exact prospect matches specific intent signals on social media or a company hiring board, the system automatically builds and enriches the lead list. Then it bridges the gap between big data and human conversation. The platform feeds the scraped professional metadata into a localized large language model to write highly specific, personalized opening lines for cold emails, ensuring every message sounds like it was researched by a human. This Verifone point-of-sale terminal reveals where the developer's predictive intelligence started. Before global B2B data, the team built a smart crowdfunding platform for retail checkouts. By analyzing a shopper's purchase history, the technology predicted the exact dollar amount they were most likely to donate. Parvenu uses this orchestration to turn 1 billion stagnant records into active outreach, using precise data points to trigger a genuine human connection at the exact moment it's most likely to convert. Applying that same logistical rigor to the creative sector yields entirely different results. BandBuddy is an all-in-one suite built to remove the administrative burdens from independent musicians. Take touring, traditionally the most complex aspect of an artist's career. The platform's Tour Planner Pro uses geographic routing algorithms layered over a verified database of 13,500 live venues, festivals, and industry bookers to map out highly efficient travel paths. To assist with day-to-day operations, the developer integrated a multimodal AI framework called Marlowe. It seamlessly unifies text-based chat, image analysis, and voice generation into a single digital assistant for the artist. And while there is massive cultural pushback against fully AI-generated music, the platform's ghostwriter tool operates strictly as a collaborator. It analyzes rhyme schemes and song structures to help artists overcome writer's block, ensuring the final output retains human authenticity. That digital support extends straight into the physical venue with BandBuddy Live, a native iOS application designed for the concert crowd. To work in a live environment, the app has to process extreme backend loads. It maintains real-time concurrency while hundreds of fans simultaneously browse the digital setlist, vote on song requests, and process instant financial tips directly to the performers on stage. The audience never sees the complex API connections or the payment gateways. They just request a song and the band plays it. That seamless, real-world experience is the hallmark of elite mobile engineering. At their base level, sharding a billion-record database for global sales and managing hundreds of concurrent mobile transactions during a live show are the same problem. They both rely on the same high-availability architecture to prevent the system from collapsing. In the broader software industry, it is remarkably common for companies to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on external agencies, endure bloated development cycles, and still receive catastrophic non-functional code. By internalizing high-reliability engineering practices, a team can stop building isolated, buggy features. Instead, they construct entire ecosystems that work on day one. That level of execution makes these developers the ideal partner for startups and enterprises attempting to capture high-friction competitive markets without wasting capital on technical debt. When a single engineering framework can ingest global data and push it instantly to a live mobile interface, software moves from being a fragmented liability to the primary driver.